and this is the things that I learned after graduating college. So number one is honor God with your studies. So the reason why you need to honor God with your studies, so that you will become more excellence in terms of your academics, not just in academic lang, but in every aspect in your lives, in every area in your lives, God will be honored. So it gives you an understanding, and also um, a character formation for yourself, and to know that God is really faithful in our lives. You know, you have different obstacles, challenges, circumstances that you will be facing in life. You know, the two is have a self-control. So you need to become calm in every area in your life. Stillness is the key. I've been reading a book of stillness is the key, that you need to be calm in your area sa life nato. So people is more patient than people. So Anne Frank says that people is more patient than people. So we need to have um, our habits, also contemplate our emotions, how to deal with our emotion, that in terms of depression, you need to be calm on that. You need to overcome that. Self-control is just figuring out to yourself that you need to become the legend of how the way you will react to other people. So you need to, kailangan na to ma-understand na to na every people na we face every day is their have own egotistical thought, or their have own set of perspectives. You're harsh, you're impatient, there are many things that you go through in life, maybe throwing harsh things to us, to them, because they have their own ego, their own perspective. So have self-control. Also, 3 is self-discipline. So lately I've been no, not just lately, but it's a few months na I've been having a self-discipline to myself. I've been reading Atomic Habit. Atomic Habit is a book that builds your character, discipline your to impart discipline sa imong kinabuhi, na mabag-o gyud imong lifestyle, the way you do or act every morning. It could 1% is equivalent to 33.37%. if that's a good habit. 1% is important, just one this small lang na siya, pero importante na siya. So that's it.